Hello everyone. In our previous month, we have completed the Python course. So for this month, we will start with a new language called Arduino language. So it is similar to C++ only. So what is the difference between the Arduino language and the previous two languages you read already is, first you read about block coding, right? So in block coding, what you will do, you will just drag and drop the blocks and corresponding action will be executed by the robo car which is attached in the right side screen, right? Same like in Python, what you did, you wrote some set of codes by following the proper syntaxes of the language, and then you got the output in screen itself. But in Arduino it is somewhat more powerful. You will see more hardware implementation if you write the code. So what it will happen is, you will write the code, you will upload the code to Arduino board, and you can use it to any hardware applications. Like, for let's take an example of traffic lights. So in traffic lights you can see the green, red, yellow lights, how it is changing. So there will be some tiny brain like structure which is attached inside it. So that is responsible for changing the colors of lights whenever needed. So this brain like structure can be made from Arduino. So some other examples are like making robo car. So in remote control car and all, right, there will be some boards or chips inside. So this can be made using Arduino. So it will make it commands to move forward, turn right, and turn left, etc. So some other examples are like automatic doors, like how it is opening automatically when a person comes near it. You will just put a sensor for sensing the whether a person is nearby or not, and then you will put the logic inside Arduino only. So that's how this works. So this is the application of Arduino. That's why it is mainly used everywhere. So for coding Arduino, you need to install Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So I will put the link for downloading the Arduino in the screen itself. You have to go to the link from your browser and then download the latest version. Now the latest version is Arduino IDE 2.3.7, which I'm using now. And then you have to download the latest version, and then you have to install it. After installing, when you open the Arduino IDE for the first time, you will have to install all the necessary libraries which will be popped up when you open the Arduino for first time itself. Just click install for all, and then you will be ready to code in Arduino. So now you have to open a tab. So for opening a tab, here there is three dot like thing right at the right end. Click it, select new tab, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and then name your file anything, like I am naming here block 2 Arduino without leaving any spaces. You have to name, and then OK. Now a new file has been created. So here is where you will start coding, and here is where you will check whether there is error or not in this output box. So first you have to select the board before coding in Arduino. So for selecting board, you have to go to this tools in this top corner and press the tool, and then go to board and select Arduino AVR boards and select Arduino Uno. For this also I will put a text message in the screen itself for your convenience. And after that, once you select the board only, you will get proper output. Otherwise you will get error like board error, board not get selected, like that you will get. Now after selecting the board, the next step is to start coding. Now here put some, you will start something like, and then once you completed the code, for example I'm doing this is not a valid code. So after you complete the coding part, you will put verify, this tick mark button. You will press this tick mark button. If there is no any error, it will does not show any error. If there is any error, you will get something like this. So these are called errors. If this comes, that means there is problem in your program, you have to change it. So if there is no any error, you will press upload button. Once you press upload button and connect your laptop or computer to Arduino board, your code will be uploaded to Arduino board, and then you can use your code any for any hardware purposes implementations. So after this is called serial monitor. The top right, this magnifier glass like structure, if you press it, this is now it is showing not connected because I have not connected to any real hard Arduino board. So if you connect it and after uploading, it is like the computer speaking back to us. So for that Arduino, this serial monitor is used. So these are all the basic things you need to learn before diving into Arduino language. So that's it for today. Thank you.